Hello there traders. So this video I'm going to share with you is about Euro US dollar pairs, right? So today's video I'm going to share with you because of there's a big news on Euro market, right? So mainly on a main refinancing rate and monetary policy statement to be released on 8:45 p.m. and later on 9:30 is about ECB press statement. So about 8:45 p.m. in Asia and 8:45 a.m. in US, this is the release news for Euro, right? So here in my MT4, I'm going to share with you. So since this particular pairs is Euro, so I'm going to share with you. I'll open up for you the MT4, right? So first we will enable first our MT4. So make sure your MT4 must be in auto trading mode, and then I will be opening up also as well the Euro US dollar market. All right, so Euro choose USD since I opened up already. So I just drag my EA PipsPlus Price Action EA 2.2 lifetime copy. This is our latest version for this copy, this version, right? This particular EA, right? So this is price action. So I already have my preset files. I just load it, and then so I just load it, right? So if you are having that in your during your download time, right? So I'll inclusive that with your during your download. Okay, all right. So now since my server time, my market watch is about 15:32, so I'm gonna change that only the time, right? So 15:40 since and then my stop trade will be for 15:42, right? So since the time is 8:45, that is equivalent to my server time is 15:30 something, right? So that is my settings. So I'll trading up. So all right. So as you can see that here, guys. So since we're waiting for 8:45 during opening on the Euro market for this particular news, so on the monetary policy statement, so what you're gonna check here is this must be this should be the same time opening during your market, right? As you can see here, guys, you can see the market is still moving up, ranging, so waiting for the time that okay, so you can see that, guys, is so you can see that, guys, is already opening up on our time, and now is already 15:39, right? So now you can see that is 15:40 is already opening up. Yes, you can see the 15:40 on a watch market. The same goes to our trade time 15:40. It's the same market, so it's just opening up on the buy stop and sell stop mode. So you can see that based on our MT4 settings, it is 10 pips gap low and high, right? So as you can see that is 10 pips each. All right, so from the previous candle, this particular EA will follow based on the previous candle, that is 10 pips above, and then based on our settings, and then also 10 pips below, based on our gap low, right? So you can see that, guys, is still the market is on moving, so we are around 13 pips around, right? So it is it's almost hit, right? So but it haven't reached our time yet. As you can see, the time is 8:45, waiting for the time of the news, right? So we will wait for that, and then wait for the time until it reaches to 15:45, which is we are waiting for that particular news, right? So by the way, guys, you can see the trend. It's a ranging market, right? So it's almost time, waiting for the time 8:45 with a big news coming, right? All right, for Euro USD. All right, so as you can see that, guys, wait for the time. It's almost time, and we will check that there you can see that there is your SL, right? So for SL, for buy stop or sell stop, you have a SL, because your SL is in stop loss and TP. Your SL is 100. All right, so you can check that. Let me check. This is 100 pips from the below lower for to your on the buy stop. And right, so you can see your buy stop, you have 100 pips stop loss, and your sell stop you have, or you also have 100 pips take profit, right? So that is how it works. So it will set for you automatically, right? So now you can see that the ranging market is still not yet reached, right? So we're waiting for the time. Is about 3 minutes more to go, right? So that is how this A works, right? So we will wait for that, and the time where it will hit, whereby is it your sell stop or your buy stop mode, and then it will enable your trailing profit or trailing steps on this EA, right? So it will be automatic everything. So this is our latest version, PipsPlus Price Action EA 2.2 version, whereby we are tightening more with margin level management. We also add in our spread control, right? And a slippage control for this EA. That's why we have new version, right? So that is how this EA works. Okay, so you can see that, guys, waiting for the time is almost time is about 1 minute more to go, right? So look at the time, look at the market, just keep ranging in. All right, so wait for it. It's about almost time. So wait for that, guys. So this is you can set your EA to be automated. If you don't want to trade with news, just leave it automated. You can change that. So I have another video that sharing these particular settings, whereby we are not using the news, but we are using automatically, well, whereby it open based on the volatility market on that particular trade, right? But that particular currency pairs, right? So guys, so the market is keep pulling down to sell mode, right? So you can see that. So it is very trailing. So right, you can see that. So almost time, right? It's about 15:45 already. All right, so you can see that. So we will be push in for you. You can see that. All right, as you can see. All right, so you can see that the buy mode has been enabled, right? Now that's the buy mode. You can see that particular, this is the buy mode settings, right? You can see that particular earnings, right? It's about $200-300 now, right? All right, you can see there is the trailing profit as well. Has been enabled, as you can see that just now. Is very fast, right? And you can see our earnings is already 210 once the market is opening up, and then it enable the you see the based on the time is already opening up, right? So it was enable our trailing profit, and then the moment that the market has been reversed, it was hit. That's why it was hit by about 20 pips down the moment that the market has been reversing, right? So this is how this EA works. You earn on the spot 211 US dollar for this particular trading setup straight away. All right, so thank you, guys, and good luck to your trading. So make sure you subscribe on our other videos, watch on our videos on different types of currencies that we are setting up, and also the automatically trading, whereby not really in the news, but in a volatility market. So thanks, guys, and good luck on your trading, and happy trading.